I'm Zuzana Prochazka with boats.com at the Miami International Boat Show, and I'm here on the brand new Beneteau GT50. This one replaces the previous 49, and it's got some really neat new features. I'm standing on the hydraulic swim platform that goes down and creates a nice teak beach, and behind me is the garage. It's built for a Williams Jet Tender 280, but you can store a different kind of dinghy in there as well. And with the garage closed, you get a grill right about here so that you can cook out here, standing out here, and still converse with everybody in the cockpit. The GT50 comes in two versions, the flybridge and the standard. This is the standard. That's why we have this enormous sunroof up here and the single helm, which is right here. So when you open that up, it's like driving a convertible. The visibility actually is excellent in both directions. And then, of course, you are right here in the social action even as you drive. This is the master stateroom with a great big bed centerline, good headroom, huge windows to let in a lot of light on both sides, plus opening ports so you get some air. You're not reliant on air conditioning. This whole thing right here is someplace that you can stay for a while. You don't have to just get up top into the wind. There's a lot of places to lounge on this boat, and I wouldn't mind spending an afternoon right here on this double sun pad, cup holders, looking out at the water, glass of wine in hand. For more information on the Beneteau GT50, visit boats.com.